Hello, this is Trent Smith at the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the planning briefing for Thursday, April 18th. So let's look at the threat matrix here for both the roads and the fire folks out there that are watching this. Friday appears to be our most impactful period, as we have a fairly strong cold front that's going to be moving through the area, bringing widespread rain, some thunderstorms, a little bit of snow to the passes, and then some of that precip lingering into Saturday, and then after that we're looking at some pretty clear periods. So let's start with the Friday time frame. This is just one model's depiction of how precipitation, how that front's going to be moving through on the Friday time frame. So we're starting at 6 o'clock Friday morning here. You can see there's probably already a few showers trying to develop across northwest Montana. But as we go through the day, that front starts making its way in pretty much early afternoon across northwest Montana, and will steadily be pushing down. The brighter the colors of the red, the more intense precipitation associated with it. During the mid-afternoon, we're going to start seeing some thunderstorms develop down in Idaho County and Clearwater County, maybe even west central Montana ahead of the front. And it's these storms that we have a little bit of concern about for severity's sake. They can become actually quite strong, produce really gusty winds, some small hail associated with it, and really heavy rainfall. So right now it looks like the front is kind of just north of Missoula by 6 o'clock. So the front appears to have slowed down from what we've been watching the previous couple of days, but it's really when that front pushes through kind of Idaho County, the Bitterroot Valley, southwest Montana, that I think we'll see probably the strongest storms kind of in the evening hours. With this intensity, it wouldn't be shocking to see snow levels be pushed down, and like Lolo Pass and Lost Trail Pass, if a storm does go over the top of that, there'll actually be some snow and probably a grapple hail associated with it that can cover the roadways, and McDonald Pass also. But definitely some heavy rain, some concerns over in the Grangeville area about the potential for rock and mudslides, maybe some small stream flooding impacting some secondary or even Forest Service roads during this event. And it appears that this precip will just kind of linger throughout the night into Saturday morning time frame, especially across that Idaho County. We're anticipating about a half an inch to an inch of precipitation to fall by Saturday morning in Idaho County, a little bit in the Bitterroot Valleys, and like I said, Lolo and Lost Trail have the best chance of seeing some accumulating snow by Saturday morning, and also McDonald Pass, as this precipitation kind of moves on and lingers into Saturday morning time frame. So things don't appear to be as clear cut and drying out as what we thought just even a couple of days ago for Saturday and the weekend. We are expecting that precip to kind of linger across southwest Montana, north central Idaho throughout much of the day on Saturday. Homestake Pass, Lost Trail Pass might get very light snow, but during the day I doubt there'll be any impacts to the roadways themselves. And then that precip really does move right on out by the Sunday time frame, maybe just a few flurries, light sprinkles lingering throughout the day on Sunday, but really nothing impactful. Then we actually do get a ridge of high pressure that builds over the area. We're looking at warming, drying trend for the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday time frame. But by the Thursday time, it does appear that we'll actually have a cold front that's going to start pushing through the area, breaking down that ridge. So probably looking at more shower activity, some breezy winds Wednesday ahead of the front, or even Wednesday night. But again, confidence is just moderate on this frontal passage. But right now it does look like that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will be a dry period. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call here at the office. If not, our next briefing is scheduled for Sunday, April 21st.